It's a math thing. Factoring. Easy and fun, then you're done. It's reverse foiling. Factor out GCF. Order your terms. First type of quadratic is there's 3. Let's begin. DOF. Difference of squares. It draws blank stares. It's 2 square numbers separated by a minus sign. Square root each number, put them in parentheses. Each set receives a plus sign or a minus sign. Factor, and let's do type 2. We can factor with 3 terms too. When there's plus sign at the end, the signs are the same, and it is determined by the sign of the middle term. Find out the multiples of the last number. They've got to add up and equal the middle term. Place them in parentheses. You just factored it was easy. Killer. Factoring will thrill ya. It's really just dividing up quadratics into 2 groups, holding 2 factor terms. I solve. When I read these equations, better get a good grade. I got factoring on my brain, I can get it off my brain. Factoring is great. The equations might be big, but you still can factor. As long as x squared is the highest degree, then you can solve whenever. Factoring, can't you see that it's not that hard to solve? Math thing, factoring, easy and fun, then you're done. It's reverse foiling. Factor out GCF. Order your terms. Third type of quadratic is there's 3. Let's begin. Minus sign at the end means there will be a positive and a negative. In the parentheses, multiples will still add up to the total of the middle number, though. Find them and the bigger number. We'll go with the sign of the middle term. Plan the parentheses out, fill the numbers out. In order to check your work when you finish, you've got to go back and FOIL it. Multiply the first terms, then do the outer. Multiply the inner digits, and then you're finished. Killer. Factoring will thrill ya. It's really just dividing up quadratics into 2 groups, holding 2 factor terms. I solve. When I read these equations, better get a good grade. I got factoring on my brain, I can get it off my brain. Factoring is great. The equations might be big, but you still can factor. As long as x squared is the highest degree, then you can solve whenever. Factoring, can't you see that it's not that hard to solve? Math thing.
I'm tired and I can't breathe.